May ice cream sila. Kanye West, Kanye West. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Right now we are in Clark International Airport. I think it took us about 2 hours to get here from Manila. Hi Shotty! Yeah, so kumakain muna kami habang naghihintay ng boarding. We're going to Amsterdam for a Europe trip, pero we're gonna have a layover in Dubai first. I think it'll be a 10-hour flight, so see you there! We're here at Dubai International Airport and it's currently 2:30 AM here, pero sa Philippines it's like magsa 7 AM, so sobrang antok na kami. And pagdating namin sa Amsterdam, diretso lakwat siya. What's your name? What's your name? Scotty? So cute! High five! Yeah, exercise. Yeah. Currently 11 PM here in Amsterdam, and we just finished a canal cruise in this river. Wow, where'd you get your heart sticker? What do you call this place? Diamond Factory. Amsterdam is famous for their diamonds. It's said to be cheaper though here. Heart sticker. We're in Gazan Diamond.
I also have a heart sticker.
Bibilan ako ni Papa ng diamond. Papa, bibilan mo ako ng diamond.
Silip mo na. Silip mo na.
Papabay mo ako.
Maliliit na pinag-isa yan.
Papabay mo ako.
Yan o, madaya o.
Papabay mo ako.
Tinan mo yung...
Ay, di pinapansin.
Hindi man yan malaki.
So first, diamond is one of the hardest material on earth, and only diamond.
Ba't po yun Papa pinipicturean?
It's knowledge.
Knowledge. Smoke turkey. Zap.
It's cold
Ay,
because we don't
ano ba
have a
to? Cheddar? Oh.
Cheese na lang.
Grab some milk tea.
It's just tea with milk.
Look, I hate her.
It's just tea with milk.
Huh?
Oh, ano ba yun? So it's free time. It's like 3 p.m. and we're just gonna roam around. Yeah, nawala ni Mama yung isang glove, so hinahanap niya. Tapos dito lang daw kami. Kawa naman si Papa, oh. Hey, Shotty, help him! Help Papa naman! Ano ma? Hindi mo nahanap?
Ito yung sinasabi Central Station. Ang mura.
Bigo!
Araw pa lang, wala na yung gloves. Ngayon ako.
Sa akin, bali wala lang yun. Binili ko sa Avenida. Bili na tayo ng pagkain.
Bike na lang tayo. Hindi yan marunong mag-bike.
Pagkain na lang po. Oh, you can use like the electric bikes.
Oh. Tignan mo yung kamay. Yan, may mga free taste. Ayun o, yan. Pero ang sarap niya talaga. Oo.
16 yan eh.
Ay, hindi. Ay, oh, ito.
Yan nga.
So, lumalabas. There's 10 euro discount. So, it's about 2.4. Hindi na po kayo. Cheese. This one tastes so good. This is called Amsterdam Gold. Parang siyang parmesan. Ito naman, tignan natin. Pero matamis. Talaga yung best. Niya parang no. Hampas lupa.
Tapos yun yung bread nito. Hindi kasi tagal pa namin nag-exchange yung hirap pa.
Parang galing.
Is there anybody in the adjoining room? Why do you wanna know?
Morning, Mama.
Hello. Good morning, Amsterdam.
Wow.
Tapos, padala mo rin.
Paano yun na talaga ito? Sarap ng
Very
pancake.
salty yung bacon.
Malit lang ng pancake, oh. Cute. Sarap na ng honey. Ganito na lang yung luto ng pancake.
Natuyo.
Bigyan mo daw sa papa ng tuyo.
Kuma?
At yan. Ano ang tawag nila niya? Cut it.
Yesterday, we're so, parang you need to pee. Tapos, punta siya sa isang restaurant. Tapos, tinanong daw siya ng may-ari. Are you a customer? Tapos,
What did you say? No, sorry. May I still use the restroom? With British accent?
Nag-British
Respect the
accent.
culture.
Why did you British accent?
I speak Dutch.
Lapit
I was
naman
joking.
Okay.
But they still use the restroom?
Tapos, ang sabi niya.
Sure.
Cool, they even do boots. They also use this though for farming. Cute.
Oh, you want to buy pan?
Very hard. This one has not, doesn't have a lot of moisture. It's very salty, very strong in taste.
So this is what it's like inside the windmills. So big! Parang haunted house. Tapos may maze pa siya, oh. OMG, they're playing Harry Potter music. Wingardium Leviosa. Grabe yung details. Pati yung food. And this turkey. Wow.
Ganun ang painting mo?
Sana. is an Oompa Loompa.
Sa Willy Wonka.
Polka dot.
Perfect kasi you're also... Perfect.
For more coins.
Perfect kasi you're also short. So you're an Oompa Loompa. Pwede rin ikaw maging Chucky. With red hair.
Praise naman. Praise naman.
Wala akong praise. Oompa Loompa.
I like a candy. I'm like a candy.
Ay nako.
Ikaw naman, what's your fit?
Cross my heart. I'm a sheep.
Meh. Ikaw. Wow. Oh, sorry.
So dumb. Gangster fit. I organized this, guys.
Wow.
I'm not trippy today, but I
Kahit hindi na mag-ano. Yo! Kanye West! Kanye West! Kanye West!
see that guy? He's doing tricks with a water bottle. Look.
Huwag ko sa'yo.
Shoti. Somebody did Shoti.
We're trying to ride the train. Finally got a ticket to ride that train.
Oh yes, sir.
Ooh, it's here. We took the metro na lang kasi hinabol namin yung bus namin.
Kamusta yung...
Finally got in the bus on time. We're going to have our Christmas Eve dinner here. Ala, kaya ko mag-touch ng fire.
Guys, it's just steam with yellow light at the bottom.
Yellow ba yan? Yellow ba yan?
Orange light. Orange yellow, yes.
Hala ka, Dichi. Bad ka.
It's just steam.
I have 5 chicks, guys. Oh, welcome naman ito. You're underage. I'm 19. Wow. Mas ka lang underage. Alam niyo ba, every time na may mamimit kami, itanongin nila, sino yung younger? Siya, no? Tapos, siya yung, i-assume nila siya yung younger. So, whatever, bitchy. It's because you look cold. No, it's because I'm taller than you.
I'm 22.
21.
22.
22.
You look like big.
That's 14.
14!
Yeah.
See, guys, see? Just an example that happens every time.
Why? Because of what?
Because I look young.
ID. Ako, hindi ako tiningan na ID.
Karunin pala. Come on! All together now, let's sing!
Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. The season day we never forget. The love we have for Jesus. Let us be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
We are group!
Okay, this is a Filipino song. Parang we always hear it sa yung sa ABS-CBN. It's called Star ng Pasko.
Wow!
Kung kailan pinakamadilim ang mga tala ay mas nagniningning kaano man kakapalang ula sa likod nito ay may liwanag. Ang liwanag na ito nasa ating lahat May sinagang bawat pusong bukas sa init ng mga yakap. Naghihilom ang lahat ng sugat. Ang magsindi nitong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muli magkakakulay ang Pasko. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muli magkakakulay ang Pasko.
A life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and